to try and do this as quietly as possible, but I need to record this song somewhere, or I'm going to forget about it entirely. And I think that it might not be good, but, like, there's something in it that I like. So it wasn't last week, it was last week I wrote it. Anyway, and I didn't like it because I was emotional when I wrote it, so I lost the metaphor and I lost the plot, like, halfway through the song. So I recorded it, I posted it, and then I took it down. So this is the rewrite, but I also just rewrote it, so I'm probably going to forget all of the lyrics. So, let's see how it goes. Okay. This is called, I Need a Train, or something like that. Something about trains. Okay. I need sex like I need a train to hit me. I need a train like I need sex to fix me. A man will run me over, but a train will love me kind. A man will spill my guts, but the train will dull my mind. So bend me over, break my wrists, put your hand between my tits. What's a little love without reward or risk? When I think of you, my guts spill on the tracks. I need something real. I need to feel your hands along my back. The man whispers loudly and I cover my ears. The train frowns and holds me and wipes away my tears. Oh god. Okay, no, I remember, I swear. The pain is only fleeting, but our love's forevermore. Watch me leave, he'll follow me right outside the door. So tie me to the tracks and stay. Iron wheels can have their way. Help me make this railroad town a little less gray. I need something real. I need to feel hot skin or cold white steel. You're scared to run me over, but I'm not scared to die. I don't need warmth or comfort, don't need to say goodbye. I only need a finish line to break my ribs apart. I only need a kiss for my aching, bleeding heart. So please don't go, I need you here. Blow my brains out through my ear. You don't deserve a person filled with so much fear. I need something real. I need to feel. And I skipped it. When I think of you, my guts spill on the tracks. I need something real. I need to feel your hands along my back. Yay. Maybe I'll call it, like, Train Boyfriend or something. I don't know.